Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to grow mint from the mint leaves. I am using water propagation method. You can either grow mint in water or in soil. All we need is mint plant cuttings of about 5 to 6 inches. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. First step is to identify nodes of the stem. Any place from where you can see the leaves coming out is a node of the plant. Here, here, here. All these are nodes. So we'll take out the extra leaves because node is the place from where root will come out. Also, we don't want to burden our stem with extra leaves. Like this. Here goes the second one. We will pluck out all the extra leaves from the stem, as you can see. Alright. These are the nodes. Make sure the bottom part of your cutting has a nod on it. It will help roots to propagate really quickly. Now I have removed the extra leaves from all of my stems. And it's done. Here are the 5 stems. Now the second step is to put these stems in the water. I've taken tap water because tap water contains necessary oxygen which plant needs for its propagation. After cutting the extra leaves, second step is to place these stems in the water. Just keep in mind that we don't want to place our leaves in the water because if we place our leaves in the water, they will rot. So guys, as you can see, I've placed my cuttings in the water. Now all we have to do is wait for the roots to propagate. Guys, don't forget to change its water every 3 to 4 days. Also keep it at some bright area. After 25 days, our mint cuttings have transformed into these beautiful plants. They have grown their own roots. There they are. Such a dense root they are formed. I'll show you. They are all tangled up. Here you can see such a healthy root. Just don't forget to change water every 3 to 4 days. Now we have two options. We can either let it grow in the water or we can transfer it into the soil. Transferring to the soil will help it grow really quickly because soil provides all the necessary nutrients. Or you can just keep it in the water. It forms beautiful decorative and it looks really cute. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Know Greens. If you have any queries, do let me know in the comment box below.